Bear with me. Apparently this is how you have to make videos now. This is how you have to make videos. To make sure it doesn't have anything in it. So this is how you have to make videos. I don't know. This is the seat chops. I had it for like a year and a half. It's a little too stiff. I don't know. I kind of should have thinking I should have got the GM foam. But we'll see how this holds up in this screwed up climate. This thing's pretty puffed up. It goes on very easily. I had to make a hole in it, but I made it more like the OEM hole, so you can't pull up on it because it goes over. Like, it's already dirty. It's dirty fast. I could swear this distance is actually higher on this. From here to here. Just the one on the back, but this I got caught in it the other day. Yeah, very easy to go on. I swapped the seat heater with the original one. The color's kind of close. It's just too clean, and I think it's too grainy. We matched the grain, not really. And they don't make it to the OEM factory, the seat shop, because look, this is supposed to have leather over here, and they put carpet. So it's not OEM. You see it too. That's a bummer. And over there, same thing. Carpet. It should be vinyl. I don't know. It's okay. It feels better now. Yeah. Yesterday I felt weird. It feels like the passenger seat. That's what it feels like. You kind of sit high on it. Oh, that's okay. It doesn't squash down over here. It used to actually feel metal right in this corner. So I don't know. It didn't really take very long at all. I didn't take the whole seat out, just the seat bottom. I gotta fix the lumbar next. But, you know, oh, that's okay. It's better than a big gaping hole, because every time you get out of this thing, you get caught in that hole. Yeah, it's definitely firmer though. I don't know how long it's going to last before it breaks down. Yeah. Feels, I don't know, I guess it feels okay though when you hit bumps and shit. You get that extra boom, boom, you know. This thing was really mashed in the center. The old foam was very damaged on the side. So, yeah, you see, it was very, very flattened on the side too. So, but it was firm. It was firm over here. So, yeah, I don't know, it's okay. I don't know. How's this one? It's not OEM. OEM is $400 though if they still gonna make it, so it's a ripoff for this piece of junk. Yeah, we gotta take. Oh, look at Boatman over here. He can get rid of the window so he doesn't see me. He brings a big fucking boat into this place. Oh, you said what? You know what? They should actually teach you or offer you go to school and use more creative words if they want you to use the words they're using. Yeah, this seatbelt is. Can we even say screwed up anymore? I don't know. This platform's screwed up. Like I said, I'm probably going to do a Twitch channel soon. Oh, I got a button for the passenger side too I got to put on. I'm using the Toyota one because the GM, they want crazy money for it because they're stupid. But yeah, I don't know, that's okay. Was this even the right color and it was new? I don't think it was. It was more of a darker color. But you know, what are you going to get? This is better than that first eBay color I bought. It didn't even match at all. Yeah, so definitely the vinyl grain's the same, the leather grain is not, and here it should be vinyl, and it's carpet, which is stupid. So they did not make it to OEM factory specs, but they say they did. So seat shop, if you see my video, you should probably fix that, because That's kind of a bummer. Small detail, but yeah. The clip they use freaking rules, though. I will say that. Like clips on. I did bend out the channel a little bit because it kept popping off, and the passenger side's popped off right now again. We're gonna have to fix that. You see that seam? It actually goes up a little bit. Don't mind all the trash in here. It's not my vehicle, so it will push back down. That actually makes the whole seat firmer when you have the clip on. So that's what we did. Woohoo!